Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. How are you going on?
Good. Just heading to the gym.
Okay. So after a long waiting and a
Yeah,
lot conversation, finally we are in the call.
I know. Thank you. I know we played phone tag a little bit.
Okay. Please let me know about the project details.
So basically, we have Google ads running, but they've been declining, and there's a number of reasons for that. One of like the big brands that we carry, it's just not doing as well. But I'd like to have you take a look at it and give me an assessment on what you think's happening. Um, and then there's probably some things that we could tweak or do better in there. And maybe shift some of the budget to a different type of ad too. And then the other thing that I want to do is start running meta ads. We haven't really done that.
Okay.
I have the account set up, but also that needs to just be evaluated and make sure that everything is set up correctly too.
Okay.
Um, and then for meta ads, um, I also, because we do have a brick and mortar store, I'd also like to run some ads to try to drive traffic into the store, not just online.
Okay. Okay. Please let me see your website.
It's it's curated dash the CURATED.
S- 1 second. C U
RATED
R A T E D
dash
dash
Los Angeles,
L O S
LOSANGELBS
A N G E L.
yeah, GELBS.com.
Okay. Into the depth. Didn't understand. Shop jewels. Okay, basically it's a jewelry store.
Yeah, and so it's fine jewelry.
Bracelet, date bracelet. Okay. And if I go to in depth, can I share my screen? I think you are
Sure.
using your iPhone
I'm on
or
my phone. Yeah, but
okay.
sure.
It will be a bit difficult to see my screen in your little screen.
But yeah, that's the website. Yeah.
Okay. So I see that the website is built on Shopify.
Yes.
And also I see that a Facebook pixel is connected with the plugin and apps, the Shopify apps, Facebook apps.
Yeah.
And if I go in details of the website, then I see bracelet, necklace, rings, studs. Okay. If I open some bracelet. Okay, normally organically how many sales you are getting nowadays?
So in the past, I would say we did. I mean, it's like almost non-existent. But I would say in the past,
Hmm.
it was probably like, I mean, it wasn't like huge, but it was maybe like 10 to 15,000 for online a month, something like that, maybe 15,000.
Okay.
Most of other businesses definitely like in store,
Okay,
but a lot of customers
I
they
see
go to the
your
website and then they come into the
Instagram
store.
page is also looking so professional. We have to just add some optimization here also. So is there any Facebook page?
No, so that's a problem. Originally, when I was posting on Instagram,
Hmm.
it was pulling it into Facebook posts.
Okay.
but I
So,
just kind of abandoned it
uh,
years ago.
okay, I understand. Okay, here is a very simple, easiest method to do that. For example, if you go to the Meta Business Suite,
Mhm.
then here you can connect all the Meta resource. For example,
It shows connected, but there's a problem, and you know, I'm on like you see how hard it was for us just to get on a call. I'm just struggling to figure out what the issue is
okay.
because it does show Instagram within
Mhm.
Facebook.
Okay, I understand, understand. Okay. Basically, the Facebook and Instagram are almost similar nowadays, and you can see Instagram Reels in the Facebook feed. You can see Facebook Reels on the Instagram feed and
Right.
Instagram Reels also.
Yes.
So they are almost synchronized, and
Yeah.
the all the Meta company is trying to engage all the audience every place and competing the Google and other channel. So after reviewing the website, my plan is at first we are going to set up the conversion tracking, basically the Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, Google Ad conversion tracking, so that how much spend we are doing in the marketing, organic or paid, we have to
Mhm.
track the user's journey, behavior, demographic, how many view item, add to cart, begin checkout, how many purchase, how many people doing everything but not doing the successful purchase. We have to
Yeah.
retarget them later so that we can, and also we will build a customer list so that our promotional offer, special discount, special yearly days, like the Valentine, the Christmas, a lot of
Yeah.
occasions. Okay, so actually I am running some 2 or 3 jewelry business advertising in European market. So what will be the targeted location, targeted region of this business?
It's Santa Monica, California.
Okay, California. Okay.
In Santa Monica. So I think with the holidays coming up, I'd like to focus on just a handful of ads. One would be really to like get new customers into the store. So targeting within a very small radius of 10 miles, probably.
Okay.
And then the other thing that I want to focus on too is probably just running some sort of discount on earrings, and just so probably just those two. Right now within Google Shopping, we have a feed, so it shows like all of our products, and then I forgot what it's called, but it's like what is that like
Do you have the Google Merchant Center ready for the Google Shopping campaign?
yeah, that's all going. That's been ongoing.
Okay.
And
Also.
I'll give you can send me a link and then you can access the our
Okay. Okay. So when we start
business.
working, I will receive a lot of access. For example, analytics, tag manager, Google Ads, Merchant Center, Facebook Business Manager, a lot of things.
Right.
But before that, we
Yeah.
should arrange the things together. So my plan is at first I'm going to set up the conversion trackings, analytics, and trackings part completely with browser.
That
And
should be there, but but I do need you to look at it and make sure
yeah,
everything's
I am
functioning.
sure that it is not working properly because while
Okay.
auditing, I already found that you're using plugins and partner integration. But we will do this manually so that our data collection process is 100% or more than 95% accurate. Nowadays, you are
Okay.
using apps or plugin that usually do not provide us a good number of accuracy in terms of data collection. So at first, I'm going to fix that. Then we have to make an advertising strategy. For example, advertising is a big journey and we have to divide it according to the funnel. For example, some people are completely new. Hello,
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
I think.
I can hear you.
Okay, your monitor is
I could
freeze.
hear you the whole time.
Okay, so sometimes a lot of people are very new. Some people know us already. and some people already visited our website and know the brand. So basically, the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and the bottom of the funnel. In 3 steps, we are going to divide the total audiences, and we will make the advertising strategy like this. A lot of people will see the campaign, some of them will be interested, we will retarget them, we will nurture them for the final sales. And this way,
Okay.
we will make a segmentation of the random people and the interested people in the business.
Okay.
At first, we are going to target people according to the demographic information, their interest, behavior, their age, gender, then other information. Then step by step, we will start applying the algorithm help, for example the artificial intelligence help of Google and Meta that they are promoting, that is called custom audience, lookalike audience, these types of things,
Right.
step by step.
I think I have a lookalike audience set up in there from before,
Okay,
but you'll
so
see it.
we will see them, audit them, and we will improve them according to the need
Because I
actually.
uploaded our database from the store to create a lookalike audience.
Okay, so you already make a customer list there.
Yeah. And yeah, I uploaded everybody because everybody that makes an in-store purchase gives us their email.
If I make it United States dollar USD, okay. So average pricing of the product is 55, 38, 55. We can say average pricing of the product is $30, right? Average
So
pricing of the
I was
bracelet.
selling a lot of those little beaded bracelets online.
Hmm.
That's the segment that has died out. It was like a trendy item and we did really well with it for years.
Okay.
But as a whole, as far as selling like the more expensive pieces online,
Yeah.
it's tricky. So like I said, I want to kind of promote just like a sale
Hmm.
for the online business, like stud sale, because the small little gold stud earrings are a lower price point. So it's easier for people to buy something online that's a little less expensive. The bigger purchases happen in store for the
Yeah,
most part.
exactly. So we have the physical store also, and also online sales, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because of,
So okay,
yes.
then I need to write something in my note. Okay, so the business name is curated Los Angeles Jewelry. Okay, so for the physical store visit, do we need to run any campaign?
Yes.
Local
That's
store
like the main
visit,
local store. Yeah.
it's important. Okay,
And honestly, I'd
local.
like, obviously, with the holidays coming up, I'd like to get them going
Okay, local store
as soon as
visit is very
possible.
much important. Okay, for the local store visit, we are going to. Do we have the Google My Business profile ready for this
Yes.
business? Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So ZMB is ready. Google local store visit campaign will need this. Okay, then another campaign will be the order, online purchase.
Yes. Or like, I think I should focus on um, just like the lower price point items, though.
Yeah, I understand. So actually, the high price items, it's much more things to be the trust, and people will buy them later when people
Later.
already
Yeah.
know the brand, already know the quality of the product. Then they will buy the higher price product also later. But initially, it
Yeah.
is a bit difficult. Okay, so online order and one local store visit, one online order campaign, and one will be the awareness campaign.
So which one?
awareness campaign. This campaign, the goal of this campaign is collecting a lot of new people according to their interest, behavior, lifestyle, and other
Okay.
demographics. For example, some are the anniversary or the Valentine or this kind of things. We will
Okay.
make an one campaign. That this campaign responsibility of this campaign is taking people, unique people to the store. And if we want on Meta, if we include the Meta advertising, then we will consider one campaign for the Instagram and Facebook promotion. The page promotion. That means Instagram engagement growth, Facebook engagement growth, and social media. When we have a good number of followers and engagers, then it is always helping us to build a trust in the public. Okay,
Okay.
so first thing, conversion tracking setup. Second thing, building advertising strategy. And third thing will going to be the execution of the advertising strategy. And for the advertising copy and the photos and videos that we are going to use for the advertising, do you have them ready in your
Yeah.
okay
Yeah.
also you will provide me the advertising copy, for example, for Google title obviously I will provide you the details, guideline and samples. You will just see them and proofread them according to the business, because when I write the headlines and description, the offers and everything, I will need help from your side to at least
Yes.
look at them and fix if there are any problem.
Definitely. Yeah.
Okay,
We'll do
so the
that.
project will be in two steps. First step will be the conversion tracking setup, and second step will be the advertising strategy building and initial setup. And then we can go with the ongoing advertising management.
Okay.
And now we are going to fix the Google Analytics Tag Manager and Ads conversion tracking as well as Metapixel conversion API. For initial phase, it will cost around 200 plus 100 plus 100. So initially, from my side, the costing will be 400 US dollar for the first step, and then it will take almost 10 days to complete. Then we will go to the next step of the campaign strategy and campaign setup.
So we're just limited on time. So is there any way we could expedite that process?
Yes, we can make it more faster. Then I have to okay.
Because I was kind of, we had an event coming up and I just kind of um, started running ads for Instagram myself, not necessarily really knowing what I'm doing, but it did drive traffic to the store. So that was just last week. So I just put something up there and it did help. So I
Okay,
feel like maybe
today
it's not,
20th November here. I think also 20 November there also, right?
yeah.
Okay, so before which date we have to complete this project according to your need?
Say it one more time.
Today is 20th
The
November.
20th. Yep.
Okay,
Yes.
so how long will be the minimum time in our hand before the event coming to complete this?
Well, the objective is holiday sales. So people are starting to already try to like find different stores and do research to start gift shopping.
Okay.
So I mean, it's happening already.
Okay. So, but at least 5 days necessary. 5 to 4 days. Okay. So today is Friday, tomorrow is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There is no weekend then. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I think the maximum time we can adjust is the next Wednesday.
So we could start running ads by next Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the meantime,
That's
I have to provide the best priority to this project. Also, I have some other project. I will skip them, and as it is very hurry, I will keep it in front. Okay, so the first contract will be the conversion tracking, fix and setup completely, and auditing the existed one. And then on Tuesday, we will start setting up the campaign.
okay.
For the first project, I'm going to send you a contract request of 400 US dollar, and we will decide the next step later.
Yeah. How much do you think the second step is?
For the campaign setup and management, it will be according to the budget, how much we are spending. Can you let me know the monthly spending for the Google and Meta together?
So Google, Google, I spend $2,000 a month. I haven't started spending anything in Meta,
Okay. So
but Google's doing terribly. So maybe you need to look at it and you need to once you get
maybe
in there, I think you'll just have a better understanding.
maybe I will suggest you to increase the budget to 3K per month, $100 every day in total minimum. Then
Well, why don't you can go in there and see what's happening because I don't know if that's necessarily going to help within Google Shopping. It's just been declining and it's not really there's an issue
okay,
there.
okay, Google
And
Google
then
Google
like maybe if
Shopping.
we switch some of the budget over to Meta, that might be a better use of the
Okay,
budget.
okay. So Google Shopping is not running properly. They are showing that product is not approved, or they're declining the campaign, right?
No, I don't know if that's the case. I just think that I think it's a combination of things. I think we were selling a lot with we represent different designers.
Okay.
And so I feel like that one product, she's running a lot of sales. So the competition became greater.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm seeing a lot of errors, but it's something for you to tell me what you see.
Okay.
It'll be easier with
I
you
need to
getting there
audit.
just to
Okay.
kind of evaluate it.
I need to audit them
Yeah, I
completely.
mean,
Okay.
I hired a girl. She was working for me. She also was working for Google. So she set up our Google. That's what I mean. Like, I don't know if there's that much you need to do within Google because I hired somebody from Google that was working for the business for a while.
Okay.
And so she helped me set up everything.
Okay. Okay. So you are getting help from the Google employee?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Okay, I will also audit that actually, how the Google employee doing this.
Yeah. She's still a friend, so I could ask her to get on the phone with you.
Oh, that's great. That's great. That's really great. Okay. Okay, so my responsibility at first, setting up conversion tracking, auditing the current campaign, what is going on, and planning some advertising strategy for Meta.
For Meta.
Yeah, for Meta advertising planning.
Mainly. Yeah, because I'm not doing anything on there.
Okay, understand.
And
Understand.
from what I've talked to different people in the industry, and they seem to tell me that they have a better response with
Yes,
with
on
Meta.
on Meta, jewelry store are doing really great, as I have been running some
Yeah.
store in European market. Okay, so do you have the Meta business manager ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Ads
You can go in there.
account, Meta business account.
It's set up. Yeah.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to send you the contract request for the first step, and the second step will be, maybe if you are spending less than $3,000, then it will be maximum $500 per month for the management.
Okay.
So that will be the second contract. The first contract will be the auditing and setting up everything. If there are an issue, fixing them.
And you're doing all of this within my on my back end, like within my account.
Yeah, within your account. So when our
Yeah.
project is ready, when the contract is live here on Fiverr, then I will share my email address and I will help you to provide me all the access: Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Meta Event Manager, then the Shopify backend also. In Shopify, we have a little work. For example, we will go to the Shopify setting, then customer events, then the custom coded section. We will remove the unwanted plugin and apps, and we will add a custom pixel code, a big code, custom JavaScript
Okay.
code. That code will help us to build the data layer according to the Google Analytics for schema, and that will help us to receive the signals with Google Tag Manager.
Okay.
So this is the process. So for this, I think I need to communicate with you continuously, as this project is very short time. We do not have much time in our hand. I have to communicate with you a lot of time, maybe 4 to 5 times in total duration. And also, if it is possible, then you can join video call like this from your computer or MacBook.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's either going to be my evening or your evening, which is fine. We should just set up like a time that
Okay,
we'll see
so
the day
as
before.
you are in California, right?
Yeah. I think we're almost 12 hours, right? Is it 9:15 there?
California time.
8,
Okay,
8
it's your morning, and it's
Yeah.
also my morning because I usually my working time is US time.
Okay.
All of my clients are from US and European region.
To be up all night.
Yeah, I am a night rider actually.
Great.
Okay,
At least it's
so no
quiet. You can
problem.
get your stuff done.
Your morning is very perfect time for me to start working and to communicate with regarding the project communication.
Okay, great. That's perfect.
Okay.
Could you do me a favor though, after you send over the contract and I pay that, can you give me a list of everything that you need from me so I can start compiling everything
Yeah, so
today?
now you are in the vehicle. When you will reach home and at least you can sit in front
In
of
like
a
a couple hours.
computer. Okay.
But
How many hours from now?
it'll be probably like 10:30. So
Okay.
2.5 2 hours, 2.5.
Okay, 2 hours is very fine. Okay, so now I'm going to send you a contract request and list of things that I need access to. And then when
Okay.
you reach home, if you can provide me access yourself, then it is fine. But if you need help, then we can also have a video call and with a screen
I know how to
share.
do it.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Then it will be very actually most of my clients do not know how to provide access, how to do everything, and I need to do a lot of things. For example, showing them how to provide access and everything.
I know it. I know. In the beginning, you work on these small budgets. So I ended up having to kind of learn a little bit how to do it.
Okay, so I hope this business will go very well because this niche is very popular niche, and now the year end coming, Star Sunday coming, a lot of events still there. Okay, okay. Thank you very much for your time to have a quick call, and
Yeah.
I'm
Thank you
going
so
to
much.
send you all the details in the Fiverr.
Okay. Sounds great. I
Thank,
appreciate it.
thank you. Have a great time.
Okay. Talk to you soon. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.